So, do you think you can plant lettuce straight into the ground in July? Well, think again. In this heat, probably not gonna happen. Unless you do what I'm about to show you. You see, lettuce is a cool weather crop and it needs cool temps to germinate, ideally under 75 degrees. Around here in West Tennessee, we're not gonna see that in July. If you direct seed, chances are nothing's gonna come up. Here's my seed starting mix, my tray with the seeds in it. You can tell it's pelletized seed, which I prefer. My imp seeder, which helped me put the pelletized seed where it needs to go, and of course my seeds. There is my almost completed seed tray with the vermiculite in the top. Now all I have to do is, well, add water and wait. So you might be asking yourself, why is he going through all this trouble if you can't grow it in July? Well, you can grow it. You just don't want to direct seed it. What I do is, well, I cheat. Here's the cheat code. I use a germination chamber I built myself. 72 degrees, 80% humidity, and boom! I can germinate darn near anything, any time of year. Don't have a germination chamber? No problem. Just pop your seed tray into the fridge for a day or two. That cold treatment tricks the seed into thinking it's spring, and it'll come up just fine. What happens if you grow an exclusive cool weather lettuce and you can get it to germinate? It'll come up, it'll bolt, and you won't get a lot of nothing off of it. You have to make sure you're growing the proper varieties that'll handle the heat. Here we grow Muir and Cherokee, which is a red. So yes, you can grow lettuce in July. Just don't direct seed. Start it right, pick the correct variety, and you'll be way ahead of the game. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out what we've got coming up next. Got a favorite summer lettuce? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you down at the barn.